I start my morning with something simple and warm. Listen to that crunch. A little butter, little drizzle of honey. This bread is soft inside and golden outside. It'll take you a minimum time to prep and mix, and you'll be rewarded with delicious and healthy bread you can eat every morning. First, I make a simple Poolish, just adding water, flour, and tiny bit of yeast. It rests overnight and builds the flavor for us. You can make it the evening before you want to bake the bread. In the morning, it will be bubbly and ready to use. Now I added Poolish warm milk and honey, followed by a teaspoon of yeast. Mix everything together. I am adding melted butter to this bread. Butter makes this bread so special. It boosts sweet flavor and gives very warm aroma. I mix baking powder and salt with flour and mix for a few minutes just until the dough is smooth. And here it is. Our dough is ready in just a couple minutes. Next, let's prep our pan. I lightly grease it with butter and sprinkle the bottom and sides with cornmeal. Move the dough into a pan, cover it, and let it rise for about 45 to 60 minutes or until it doubled. Once your dough is ready to bake, sprinkle more cornmeal on top. At this point, your oven should be preheated to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Move the pan into the oven and bake it for about 25 to 27 minutes until it's golden. And here we go. This is quick to make and healthy to eat and made for busy mornings and happy families. Enjoy this bread. Follow me for more recipes like this.